Good afternoon, para DC muna i-click this update. Limited units, madami pa pong main road, maganda ang location. So madaming model for Kiara model and Sienna model, single attached, may standard type, meron tayong bare type. Pareho lang floor area 38 square meters, ang ating lot area is 90 square meters, pareho po yan. Single attached, magkaiba lang po ang itsura sa harapan pero yung loob deliverable at computation parehong-pareho. One carport provision itong facade na ito. Ito yung ating standard type or yung complete turnover. Bali gantong-ganto na ang ma-receive mong unit kapag pinili mo yung standard type na bahay. May tiles na, partitions, kisame, pintura and all. Ito po access door palabas ng service area. Pwede maging labahan dito and pwede mo extend dito ang dirty kitchen or yung lutuan or yung hugasan. Yan, pwede kang maglagay dito.